Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept friend requests within the FIFA mobile game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the FIFA Mobile or the FC mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu after completing the basic tutorials. Now from this page, you can add a friend and other users can add you as well by using your game ID. To find this, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and underneath account management, you will see your user ID. You can just tap on the copy option at the right side, and this will copy your user ID to your clipboard. You can then share this ID with any user that wishes to add you as their friend. Once they have added you, from the friends section, you will see a notification asking you to confirm or remove this request. If you tap on the confirm button, you will now become friends with this user. You may also find this notification within your message box. So tap on message and you will also find the notification that you have received a friend request. After you confirm the friend request, this person will now appear within your friends tab and you will now be able to play against each other. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to accept friend requests within the FIFA mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.